Let's go into this one. This is a wonderful song of journeying and travelling from the Irish tradition.
It's in the English language, but the final line of each verse remains in the Irish language. And that is a statement. Is Éireann ní nósan céhí, and for Ireland I'll not speak her name. For that love within us we are unable to yet articulate, or for that love that we are denying ourselves from. Is Éireann ní nósan céhí, for Ireland I'll not speak her name. Enjoy.
There's a home by the great Avonmore that flows into the broad open sea, and the rivers that break through the foam, and the bulrushes wave in the breeze. The green ivy clings round the door, and the birds sweetly sing on each tree. To my darling sweet notes they do pour. Is Éireann ní nósan céhí. Her father is riches in store of cattle, corn, and great wealth, and fine land by lovely Clandor, whilst I have my youth and good health. For she's the fond maid I adore, and kindly she waits there for me by the old stile in lovely Clandor. Is Éireann ní nósan céhí. Like a sick man who longs for the dawn, I would long for one sight of her eye, and I'll wait for my own Colleen Bawn, as she's waiting for me by the stile. I will climb the highest hills of the land, and would swim to the depths of the sea, to get a touch from her lily white hand. Is Éireann ní nósan céhí. Is